before the world away.
Guys, today is our last day here in Japan, Tokyo. At ngayon ay kakain tayo ng breakfast. Tara guys, samahan niyo ako. Yeah, camera.
Oh, good.
Hello, this is my
Hello.
friend,
Hello.
my new friend from Korea.
Hello.
Hello. I have I'm just starting my vlog.
Oh, you're a YouTuber?
Yeah, just starting. Starting.
You're a YouTuber.
Yeah.
Oh, YouTuber name?
Cody Wong.
Oh. Mm.
Cody Wong space official.
Oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh.
I'm just starting.
Codimo official.
Okay, okay.
No space.
Oh,
Yes.
no space.
Mm.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm just a new YouTuber.
Starting YouTuber.
Yeah. I always travel, but I did not try to vlog my travel. I'm just starting last month when I'm going to Taiwan and Hong Kong.
Oh, Hong Kong very is good country.
Yeah, but a little bit expensive.
Expensive.
Yeah, expensive. But the food there, it's good, and also the transportation. So lots of transportation, different transportation. How about you? Why do you not also be a YouTuber? Yeah. You're hard student, hard studying. Cold, but in Korea very cold. Not like here. I've been in Korea last year. Yeah, I've been in Korea last year, but Korea it's very cold.
When?
Last January last year. Yeah, winter.
Come here, Korean.
Yeah.
Very good country.
Yeah, very good. I like it there too, like what's that? Skiing. Skiing.
Sir, food is very good.
Yeah.
City is very good. every is very good.
You're a tourist guide. You're a tourist guide because
Tourist guide.
you're tour guide because you want to know better your country. That's why. It's small thing.
Gift.
Ay. Ito guys, binigyan ko sila ng libreng breakfast kasi hindi ko na magamit. Sayang kasi. Here. Is it here? Breakfast. Okay. You can drink all you want.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You have coffee, you have everything.
Your choice menu.
Huh?
What choice menu?
Yeah, this is. Thank you.
What choice menu?
No, this only here. This one. I just eat the Dessert.
Oh, expensive.
Not really.
Expensive?
Huh? I just choose this one, maybe this one. Ah, yeah.
근데 하나 고르라고. 아니 그게 아니라 이거 시켰다. 그거는.
Because this is my last day here, so I want to eat.
Married?
No. This is for like accessories. But this is gold.
No.
If you are married, this ring is here. See?
Okay.
Here it's not married. But here, here,
How old are you?
what do you think? Because you're young. You're 20?
Yes, 20.
20. How about you?
No, 20.
Because
25.
because in the Philippines, also in the Korea, we have a different like your age is upper or just different, because if you are in Korea, your age is 20, something like that, but in the Philippines, your age is 19. I know, yeah, because if you are like born now, your age is 1, right?
Yes.
In Korea,
in
see,
Korea.
yeah.
필리핀 한국에서 20살이면은 필리핀에서 19살이야. 만 나이로 해가지고. Is Korean age 20, Philippine age 19.
Yeah, because in the Philippines, if you're born now, you get 1 year old next year.
Yes.
Yeah, that's why.
I understand. You 26 or 27?
No,
No, 20. Up,
no,
up, down.
up.
Oh,
I'm just I'm yeah. Right now, this year, I'm going to 35. This coming November. Yeah, November.
35.
Yeah. 35.
35.
Yeah. No, where you're so humble. I'm humble. Yeah, I'm 35. That's why I need to.
영어를 모르니까.
That's why I need to travel, because I'm old. I know, because also you're so young, so you need to travel because you're so young. You are energetic. You don't need to walk to travel.
I thought he was at least 13 years old.
Hmm?
Really?
Hmm?
Really.
No, I'm 35.
Very young face.
Ah,
Look
no.
like 25 face.
You're kidding me? Are you sure?
First face. 첫인상 말고.
I'm look young because I'm not tall. I'm short. Something like that, 20s, something like that. Or 18, 20, something like that.
18살에서 20살처럼 보였다.
Because you're so tall. You're so tall. You're tall, but your face, it's young. It's like a baby face.
Face.
Yeah.
Face.
Yeah. But you're so tall.
키도 좀 크고 하니까.
I'll just wait for this drink. It's good.
Drink good.
Yeah. But in Korea, I also like rent like a hostel. Same like that. But in Korea, many people did not talk. Did not talk. I also like travel here in what's that island again? Island. What is the island? Island in Korea. What's that?
제주도.
Oh, Jeju. Jeju Island.
제주 Island.
Yeah, I've been there also.
제주 Island to visit. Visit.
I will visit there. Yeah, I've been there. Yeah,
It's very good island.
yeah,
Beautiful.
yeah. Beautiful. There's a lot of tourists. Yeah,
너무 들어가야 되겠다.
and also I just ski,
오.
skateboarding. Yeah, I just try ski. But the last time I've been there, it's very cold. I thought because last year it's in Korea. It's my first time to try winter. Yeah, because in Philippines, it's sunny. Yeah, it's sunny. Yeah, very hot. That's why I've been there. It's my first time going there winter. I just feel, and because inside the airport it's not cold, not very cold because no, it's closed. All it's closed. Then I'll just go outside. Oh, I'm freezing.
Korean winter is very cold.
Yeah. That's why.
Have you tried halabong?
What is halabong?
It's similar to tangerine, orange.
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 No, I did not try.
This Korean halabong is very good tasty. 진짜 good.
I'll just that try it there. I like rice. Yeah, sticker. Something like stickers. It's like orange. It's like an orange the sauce. In the street, they have lots of food in the street. This is mine. See, I'll take a picture.
Delicious.
Delicious. Looks delicious, but it's because it's expensive.
Very, very delicious.
Look delicious, but expensive. It's okay.
Very, very delicious. 사진 찍어.
No, it's okay.
No.
See. I'm done.
삼성. 삼성?
Vivo.
아, 삼성 아니네.
Yeah.
아이폰.
Yeah. Okay, you can eat now.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
간장 소스. 간장? Together.
Yeah, it's okay.
Together.
I just ate it earlier, but this is my dessert. Yeah, I ate earlier. You want to try?
Thank you.
You want to try?
Little.
Yeah, sure.
Little.
Just try this one, this one. Oh, that's right.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. There's no 5 minutes.
That's okay.
This is good.
근데 칼이 없네. 칼? 칼 대신 이거 발라먹는 이거 나 잘라먹으려고.
That sausage is good, right? Yeah, very meaty. Yeah, very meaty. No, I just ate already. Yeah. It's very meaty. Yeah, inside. Yeah.
드셔.
Yeah.
진짜 맛있네. 진짜 맛있다. 근데 무슨 소스야? 뭐야 그거? 버터 같은 거 같은데? 버터? 햄스도 맛있다.
What is the news up right now in Korea? Because you know your I've been also going here, this palace in Korea.
꿈.
Jongno, I've been there.
It's very beautiful.
It's for free, but you rent like the
한복.
hanbok,
한복. 야. 뭘 말하는 거야?
Bohol.
아, 노노노노노. 와. 여기 아니었어.
This is a Bohol.
여기가 거울이구나.
Yeah. Also, this is Boracay.
The place I want to was a very small, beautiful island.
What's that?
Uh,
The place. Siargao?
yes.
Not this one. Boracay.
No Boracay, no Bohol.
Okay, maybe this one. There's have a surfing.
No surfing, snorkeling.
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 Scuba diving.
Scuba diving.
Yeah, in Boracay they have also scuba diving. Also in this Siargao, they have also the scuba diving, and also they have a surfing.
Surfing.
Yeah, because
Surfing is very hard.
yeah, this one. A little Filipinos. There's a lot of American. There's a Korean, Chinese. There's a lot of people. There's a lot also a bar. You can meet a lot of girls there.
No.
Yeah, every night we have a lot of.
사람들 되게 많다. 근데 우리가 좀 가야 돼가지고 인사하고 가야 된다 봐요.
Yeah, this is nice. Also, this also Puerto. I think you have to. Sure. Do you have it because you have a schedule, right? Okay. A GCK. Okay. Me too. Welcome. I'll take a picture. Ay. 30 seconds because see last. Thank you.
Thank you.
I will send it to you later on Instagram. Oh yeah. Hello guys, yun na nga, pabalik na tayo ng ating hotel kasi tapos na dahil busog na ako at saka Guys, kaya umalis din silang dalawa kasi ano, may tour pa sila. Kaya ano, nauna na sila. Ngayon, balik na tayo sa ating hotel. But it's good to know new people pala. It's good to meet new people and new friends. Sa Korea pa sila, di ba? Yun, hinanapan pa nila ako ng babae na ako, my girlfriend daw ako. Pero sorry guys, I don't need. So sorry guys, I don't need it. Alam nyo lang, charot. I need you guys, charot. Worry cat. But it's okay. Na-enjoy ko naman silang kasama. Na-enjoy din kasi silang kausap eh. Kaya lang, galing lang. Galing lang. Ang ganda. Ano lang, masaya. Ang saya. Saya ang kausap. Lalo na yung dalawa, okay naman sila dalawa makipag-usap kasi nag-English. Tapos same lang kami sometimes hindi ako makaintindihan or hindi ko din sila maintindihan. Smile na lang. Dala lang ng smile. But it's okay. Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. At dito tayo ngayon sa Tokyo Skytree Town. Yan. Yan, dito tayo ngayon kasi pupunta tayo dun sa may taas. Kasi ano, yung pinuntahan ko kasi yung ano guys, sa ang tawag nito, Shibuya Sky is sold out na. Hindi ako nakapag-book sa Klook, kaya pagpunta ko doon, wala na din, sold out talaga. Kaya pumunta na lang ako dito. Tsaka ito yung pupuntahan natin. Ayun. Yung tower na yun. Pupunta natin guys. Ayun, yan mataas. Same lang, para lang sila sa sa Korea Tower. Tsaka ngayon, papasok na tayo doon. Pero mamaya pa kasi yung ano natin. Mamaya papasok tayo doon kasi 4:30 yung ano natin, yung binook natin. Kaya later, samahan niya na lang. Ngayon, maghanap na muna tayo makakain. Hello guys, andito na tayo. Yan o. Mamaya papasok tayo dyan. Kakain muna tayo. Yun o. Wow. Tokyo Skytree. Yan guys. Ang cute dito guys. Ang ganda. Yan o. Wow. Mamaya guys, pupunta tayo doon. Ngayon kakain muna tayo. Sige guys. Hello guys, nandito na tayo sa Skytree Tower. At saka, tignan nyo guys, ang ganda-ganda dito. Kita nyo lahat ng Tokyo. Yan guys. Yun. Yan ba guys? Ganda diba? Wow. I think, di ba ang ganda? Wow. Amazing. Ganda-ganda guys, diba? Amazing talaga dito guys. Tsaka, ano nga, ang ganda. At hindi tayo nakapunta sa Shibuya Sky, meron tayo dito. Perfect na din naman dito sa experience. Kasi, ano ganda. Guys. Dito siya guys. Malawak din tong observation. Ano to? Skytree Timbo Galleria. Ang lawak-lawak din ito guys. Para isang circle. Para ano? makakita at maraming makapag-experience. See? Ang daming tao, guys. Check nyo ulit dito. Dito na, ang ganda dito. Yeah, amazing. Wow. Bang ganda. Tapos punta naman tayo sa ibang side. Hello guys, welcome. Nandito na, gabi na tayo dito sa Skytree. Yeah. Tokyo Skytree nga. Gabi na guys, at saka tignan nyo guys anong itsura pag gabi. Ayan, ganda. Wow. Wow. See? Kikita mo lahat dito yung whole Tokyo. See? Ang ganda. Tsaka tutour ko kayo dito guys. Dito na exit. Yung mga marami din kainan dito guys. Ayan. May kainan. Ayan. Hello guys, welcome to my vlog again. At tayo ngayong gabi ay explore sa Asakusa place or Asakusa City. At pupunta tayo ngayon kasi tonight is our last night here in Tokyo, Japan. Kaya tayo ngayon ay pupunta doon at para mamili na rin ng pasalubong at saka iba pa kung anong magkikita. At doon na din tayo magdi-dinner. Guys, dito makikita natin yung Asakusa Cannon Sensoji. Asakusa Cannon Sensoji. Ito guys. Ayun. Yan yung Asakusa Cannon Sensoji. Diyan. Pupunta tayo dyan. Papasok tayo dyan para mag-explore at mamili na rin ng pasalubong at dyan na din tayo kakain ng dinner. At dito pala guys, yung Dennis, yung ating breakfast palagi. Diyan, ang sarap ng pagkain nila dyan guys. At dito lang yan sa Asakusa. Yan. Yan guys is ang Asakusa Cannon Sensoji. Famous din yan dito guys. Kaya puntahan nyo yan pag makapunta kayo ng Tokyo, Japan. Guys. Diyan tayo papasok. At yun guys, dun tayo pumunta guys sa tower, Sky Tower ng Tokyo. Tokyo Sky Tower. Diyan tayo pumunta kanina. At pupunta tayo dito para maglakwatsa. Yun. Lakad tayo dito. Dito guys is pag umaga is marami talagang tao dito at mga nagbubukas ng dito, marami nagpapapicture dito pag umaga. Ayan. Diyan. Tsaka marami din nagbubukas dito ng mga paninda. Pero for now, kasi parang late na tayo, is sarado na siya. Yun. Yan. Guys, may Starbucks din dito. Oh. Yun. Starbucks. Yan. Dito guys. Dito guys. Yan, may mga tindahan dito guys. Na pwede mabilhan. Diyan. Kaso, ngayon sarado sila maaga. Tapos sila magsara. Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo sa paglalakad. Guys, daming mga Korean dito guys, mga turista. Ang cute din ng mga ano dito, design sa street nila kasi Japanese. Hugas ng paa, kamay, doon libre lang. Hindi sa loob ng CR, doon sa labas mismo, malapit sa train. Doon. Kaya kanina yung nauhaw ako. Yun, pero palagi talaga meron yan guys. Every station. Kahit iba-iba yung station. Meron yung ano doon. Ganong tubig. At saka libre kasi dito guys, yung tubig dito sa Japan is pwede kang uminom kasi malinis at saka malamig. Yun. Kaya ang sarap lang talaga. At hindi ka nabili ng mineral water kasi tubig nila dito is malilinis 100%. Kaya maraming mga turista dito na uminom na lang sa gripo. Kanina nga marami akong mga artista, mga turistang kumuha lang dun sa gripo namin para uminom ng tubig. Dito pala guys, maraming kainan. Tingnan mo guys, naka-plastic cellophane lang sila. Ang cute. Yun o. Yun. Ang cute dito, maraming kainan dito guys. Ayan. Mamaya pipili na lang tayo dito kung saan tayo pwedeng kumain after our shopping, pasalubong shopping. Yan yung mga pula na yan, ay pula, yung dilaw niyan, yan kainan yan, beer yan. Mamaya kakain tayo dyan at pupunta na tayo sa Don Quijote. Don Quijote. Yung basa yung gano'n. Don Quijote. Don Quijote. Don Quijote. Tignan nyo guys si Doraemon. Angas. Angas si Doraemon. Wow. Don Quijote. Ikijote ko guys. Tignan nyo guys. Dito na tayo. Yan. Yan guys, malapit na tayo sa guys, temple. Dito na tayo guys. Malalayo din to konti lang. Asakusa Kanan Sensoje. Dito na tayo guys. Ayun. Yan. Malapit lang dito sa hotel ko. Lalakarin lang. Yan siya guys. Ang ganda diba? Yun. Maraming matindahan din kaso hindi na tayo bibili. Ito din. Yan. Yan. Hindi na tayo papasok dun kasi may pupuntahan pa tayo. Tsaka diretso lang tayo. Pabalik tayo dun guys para bumili ng mga pasalubong. Ngayon is malamig ngayon. But it's okay. Summer rin din ganito sa Pilipinas. Winter. Para malamig magja-jacket ang lahat. Para matry naman natin. Hindi katulad ng Baguio lang. Doon lang palagi may malamig. Every December, January. Ayan guys, bili tayo nito guys. Chocolates. 1980. Magkano kayo 1980?
Ini bocah nih siya. Siya ini bocah nih siya.
Hello guys, tapos na tayong bumili ng mga pasalubong. At saka ito na. Yan o. Ang dami, diba? Ang dami na tayong binili. Kaya, minsan lang naman tayo pumunta dito. Next time, pag pumunta tayo dito, hindi natin bibili. For the first time. Kaya ngayon, uwi na tayo. At kakain pa pala tayo ng dinner. Yan ang mga binili ko guys. Oh.
我自己买，我已经买到了。
Uwi na tayo guys. Tapos na tayong bumili. At ito yung binili natin guys. Yung guys, binili natin. Ngayon maghahanap na naman tayo ng makakain. Dito tayo sa labas. Hello guys, dito na tayo sa ating restaurant at yun na nga, nagugutom na ako at saka kakain tayo ngayon kasi tonight is our last night here in Tokyo, Japan. At dito na nagtatapos ang ating Asakusa adventure guys, at salamat guys sa inyong panonood at saka please subscribe my YouTube channel and please pindutin nyo ang notification bell para masubaybayan nyo ako. Guys, salamat po sa lahat po nag-subscribe po sa akin. Maraming salamat at saka bye bye guys. See you soon. See you in my another vlog. Bye.